So we got this situation. The remainder when 3 power 152 is divided by 15. So clearly you can see that the numerator is smaller than denominator. So what we will do? We will start table of power of 3. So 3 power 1 is 3, 3 power 2 is 9, 3 power 3 is 27, 3 power 4 is 81, 3 power 5 is 243 है ना. Now look at this, nothing is close to 15 table, correct or wrong? So under this case we will get in trouble. Okay, means if you'll apply this concept and you will like try to solve na, you still can get the answer, but it will be little bit complicated. Okay, so what I want to suggest you, just look at the numerator is having 3 and denominator is also having 3. Okay, so just simplify right now, just do simplification, but later whatever you will get as the remainder you have to multiply by the number to which you have divided right now. Okay, like suppose that I want to divide 2 by 8, so you know that the remainder is 2 for sure, correct or wrong? Now if we will do the simplification, we will have 1 by 4, and in this case we will get remainder as 1, but this is not the correct remainder na. So what we will do, the number by which we have divided numerator and denominator, that is 2, we have to multiply by the remainder. So 2 times 1 will become 2. So this will give you the correct remainder. Okay, I hope you got the concept and you can apply right now. Now look at this. Can I write this thing as 3 power 152 by 3 into 5? So 1 3 will get neutralized, we will be left with 151. So 3 power 151 is divided by 5. Okay, now what I am suggesting you right now, you are comfortable with both the method, Fermat Little theorem as well as the traditional method. And look at this, the denominator is 5. So if denominator is 5, this means what? 5 is a prime number, है ना? So we can write this thing as 3 power 4, and 3 power 4 will give remainder as 1, correct or wrong? Correct. So just look at this, let's write down 3 power 4 power something. Okay, so 4 3s are 12, carry 3, and then 7 28. So we have 3 power 3 left, correct? Now so can I interchange these two things? So we will be having 3 power 37 power 4 into 3 into 3 into 3 by 5. If you'll observe this thing will contribute remainder as 1. Okay, so 3 3s are 9, 9 into 3 is 27. So if you will divide 27, so from here you will get 27. 27 into 1 is 27. So 27 divided by 5 will give you a remainder as 2. But what will be the correct remainder? The correct remainder will be what? You have divided by 3 na, on numerator and denominator, so you have to multiply by 3. So correct remainder is 6. Okay, so using Fermat-Little theorem as well as the simplification, you got the answer. Suppose that you don't want to use Fermat-Little theorem but you did simplification, so you can write this 3 as 5 minus 2 power 151 by 5. Now you have to expand. So you know that the element in which 5 will be present will be clearly divisible by 5. So we have only one element in which 5 will not be there, and that is 151c 151 minus 2 power 151. Correct? And this will give you 1. And look at this is minus of something to the power odd. So you know that minus 1 will be outside, you will have negative output, no? So I am keeping minus 1 aside and then I am writing 2 power 151 divided by 5. Okay, now this time we are interested in, now I want to divide 2 to the power 5151. So you know that the numerator is smaller than denominator. So what you have to do, you have to start reading table of powers. So 2 power 1 is 2, 2 power 2 is 4, and you have to get closer to 5. So 4 is the most closest one. So can I write 2 power 2, है ना? And 7, 5, we will be having this 2 extra. Correct? So can I write this thing? Now look at this. Let's do little bit more simplification. So it is minus 1. We have minus, sorry, plus of 2. And then 4 to the power 75. We can write as 5 minus 1, 4 to the power 75. Correct, na? Now let's focus on this part. You know that it will, like, it is 5. So the element which will carry 5 will be completely divisible by 5, and the element in which 5 is not there will contribute to remainder, and it is the last element. Okay, so minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, and the last element is what? 75. C 75 minus 1 power 75 by 5. You know 75 C 75 is 1, minus 1 power odd is minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 2 is 2. So we got 2 by 5. So the remainder is 2, but you know that you have simplified by 3. So correct remainder will become 2 into 3, 6. I hope you got the clarity and you can handle similar situations. Okay.